Hey guys, this is Eve Scrapbooking with me, and about a month ago I did a video on some diamond painting that I had got, and a lot of people have messaged me and said, well, show me the finished project. Have you done it or what? So this is one that I have finished. Now I don't have a lot of time to work on things like this, so I just have to do it in my spare time. But this is the angel that I finished, and it's easier to see the further away they are. The closer they are, they're a little bit more difficult. But as you can see, there's the angel, there's her legs. She's kind of sitting, I don't know, she's sitting on a branch or something. There's her wings. Now this is a smaller one, so it's not as easy. But it looks, to me, it looks like the image that's up there. And there's a little tiny image right up there. And it looks like that. But this was not hard. It didn't take long at all to do. This was a full one. That means every piece on here had to be filled in. So there's a little gem in every one of these little areas here on this one. But that's one. I haven't got it framed yet, so it'll be prettier when it's framed and on the wall. And then here's one that I'm working on, and this is the turtles under the water. Now this is not a full one. The only thing on this one that you put the gems on is the turtles, and I think that's it, just the two turtles. This is already painted on your canvas, and these are canvases. They're not paper, they're canvas, and they're good quality canvas. So I still like some on this one, but when I sit down here at under my lights, as you can see, it's kind of hard for me to tell what these numbers are because, you know, I'm blind just about. So I can look, I can hold them up, and I can tell some of the numbers, but the darker ones is hard for me to see. I can see the light ones just fine. So I had a company that contacted me, and I'll put the name here on the screen because I'll probably butcher it when I pronounce it, but I think it's Keria or Keria. It's K-E-R-I-A, I do believe. And they asked me if I did diamond painting, and I said, yes, I'm trying to get into that. And so they said, would you like to try one of our light pads? I said, I will be happy to try it. I have never had one. Don't know what it, might work like, but I will be happy to try it. So they sent me one. So here's the light pad. Very thin. Let me show you how thin this is. Look at that. It's very thin, so it'll be easy to carry around with you. It comes with a USB cord that you can plug in the side of your computer. And then it has just a little touch button right here that you can turn it on, turn it brighter, or even brighter still. Now, I know that's killing your eyes right now, so we're going to put this painting over it. Now, look at those numbers. I think you can even see the numbers now. I can see them very clear. Even the dark ones. The 6, which is black, I can see it perfectly. So, and then my husband's building me a little shelf-like thing that I can prop it up on like this so that I can have it facing me and I can put them on there. That's going to be so easy because I can just put this down on there and use it that way, and I can sit in my chair at night and do these because it's a little bit hard to, I can't sit at the table for very long at a time because it hurts my back. So I can sit in my chair with this propped up on my little stand that he's building me and do these, until I get tired, which I'm usually tired by the time I sit down, but anyway. Anyway, so they sent me that. Then they also sent me the case that goes with it. Now this case is very cushioned, very thick, because the light pad is fragile, as you know. I mean, it's glass, so it's probably gonna, it would break if you dropped it or something. So they sent me the case that's got, pockets on the outside, and then this nice inside in its zipper with the little handles. So they sent me that. And then they also sent me a little pack of the items that you use in the diamond painting. This is one of the little picks that you pick up the little gems with. You can use this end, which is, you can pick up, I think, 3 gems on that end, or you can use this end, you can just pick up one at a time. And then I think these are, and I haven't used one of these before, but I bet this is just like a finger cushion, and I probably put that on upside down. But this was just something extra I think they threw in the pack. Yeah, there you go. So this is just a little finger cushion. so that you can use it that way. So they sent me 2 of those in a little tray. So I think that is absolutely wonderful. So what we're going to do is, first off, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Lightpad. It says, handle with care, do not use sharp metal objects, protect working surface from scratches, only use on a safe, stable working surface. Warranty will be voided if tampered with. After use, always store in a safe, dry place. So that's why you get the little case with it, so you can store it back in your case. The power supply is USB cable. It's super bright and eco-friendly LED, flicker-free and no radiation, good for your eyes, especially long hour working. Thin and portable design, ultra thin and lightweight, which makes it portable. It can be easy to adjust the brightness. Okay, so this is not only for the diamond painting, you can use it for tracings, cartoons, animation, craft projects, fabric design, photograph, DP projects, slider transferring, professional tracing indoors, architecture, design and drawing, and even as x-ray viewer in the hospital. Whoa, okay, so you could put an x-ray on this. Okay, so that is a little bit about the Lightpad, and it is, let's see how big this is. Sorry about killing your eyes for a minute. The whole Lightpad is, looks like about 13 by almost 10, the whole complete Lightpad. So it's plenty big enough to do your areas. You could do this area and then slide it over and do another area if you have one that's a lot larger. Now, I got this from a different company, and I will talk about that one when I do the review on that. But on these are the little things that you put the little beads and things down in, and then I just labeled some of mine on the top. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some number 6. So I've got this. Now all of your paintings come with a number on them, 7386, and then all of your little jewels come with in a little plastic bag, and they have a number on them. So I always just put the number of the painting and then the number of what jewel this is on here, and that way I know what painting it goes to if it gets mixed up. So for anyone who hasn't done diamond painting before, I'm just going to show you just a little bit of a process. You just pour a few out in your tray, and I usually just put a few at a time. I don't put a lot in there. And then just kind of shake them around until they get, you'll have one flat side and one rounded side, and I just kind of shake them around until I get that rounded side on there. And then you have a little piece of gum, and it's just a little gummy sticky thing, and I keep mine stuck to this, and you just press this into the point into there and pick up some of that gum on here, and then you just tap it down to one of your little jewels, and you pick it up and you put it on the number that it coincides with. So these are number 6, so I'm just putting them down on number 6. See how much easier it is for me to see that. Now if I was doing this without that Lightpad under there, I could not see it. I would not be able to see it, because a lot of people have told me, oh, I can't do that because I am blind. Well, I am legally blind. Without my contacts, without my glasses, I can't see how to get from one door to the next. But doing these, to me, has been very relaxing. I enjoy it. It's something that I can do, and I don't have to have a long thinking process as I do on some of my other things that I do. So to me, it's just relaxing, and it's especially going to be relaxing with this, and then with that frame that my husband is going to be building me so that I can prop it up on there. So you see how quick this goes, and this is just me picking up one at a time. Now if you wanted to use the other end and pick up 2 or 3, if you have 2 or 3 in a row that gets the same number, then you can use the other end. Sometimes I find it easier just to do one at a time, but it's a process, and it doesn't go really fast, but it is relaxing. It is a thoughtless thing that you can do, where you don't have to sit and think, oh, how do I do this, or how do I cut that, or what if I cut this wrong? You just sit and put the numbers together. That's all you do. So I can definitely tell you that the Lightpad makes the world of a difference. And I'm not saying that just because this company asked me to do a review on this. They asked me to do a review, and I told them that I would do an honest review. If it didn't make a difference, or if I didn't like it, I would tell. I'm not one to promote a product just because they sent it to me and asked me to review it. I don't promote it unless I like it and unless I plan on using it. And I plan on using this one a lot. So for somebody who has bad eyes like me, this makes the world of difference. Now, I'm not even wearing my glasses right now either. I do have my contacts in, but I have to wear contacts and glasses most of the time, because like I said, I am legally blind without them, so I have to use both. So just show you a few more of the process, and then you can see just how quick and easy some of these go together. So see there, we did that whole line and all of that just in that short period of time. So this one's going to come together quick, and this will go in one of my grandchildren's rooms when it's finished. We'll make a frame and frame it and put it in there. So that is it on that. So now let's look at it from the tracing point of view. Now, what if you had a photo like this? Now, this one's going to be a little bit difficult because it has something on the back, but I think we can still do it. I'm going to put this down on there, take a piece of copy paper, lay it on top, and see, you can see that image through there. So then all you would have to do is just trace your image. So it's just that easy. So any type of image that you would have that you could put down on here that you might want to trace, you could do it with this. So as you can see, it's not just for the diamond painting. It is also for, you can do tracing with it, things like that that you have. Okay, so as you can see, now I did this hurriedly because of the video, but as you can see, you could trace this off on another piece of paper and have it to color again, or do whatever else you wanted to. So the tracing is very easy with the Lightpad as well. Right, guys, that is it. I will leave the links for these products down below if you want to go over and check them out. They're not expensive at all, and like I said, I will be using this one lots. Believe me, I will. So that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that little bell when that bell pops up so that you'll be notified when we put up new videos. We'll talk to you guys later.